So I've been doing a massive deep dive testing out hundreds of VPS providers, and the majority are either not free or just offer a limited free trial. But in today's video, I'll highlight the best free VPS I found that anyone can get access to without any complex requirements. Let's get started. So first of all, Google RunCode.io. It's a service that allows you to launch your workspace on the cloud, and it supports limitless programming languages, databases, and frameworks to start coding your projects, or whatever the purpose may be. Also, you can get access to your VPS from any device you have, without needing to install anything or configure anything. Now, if we check the pricing plans, we can see that the free plan is a lifetime subscription, with up to 300 hours free usage every month. Let me explain. Now let me log into my account. I'll create a new workspace. You can select here any template you want, depends on your needs. So I'll start launching a blank workspace. As you can see, the large package is for paid users only. We're going to see later how to unlock this package, but for now I'll select the medium. Now if I type on the terminal, sudo who am I, it outputs root, which means I have full administrative control over the server. So now let's display the important details about the VPS. I'll install Inkside package. After installing it, you can use the following command to get detailed aspects of the server, like CPU, memory, storage, and more. Now, if you're not familiar with Ubuntu, you can have access to the graphical desktop of your Ubuntu machine from the VNC viewer. So go back to your workspace, and this is the active VPS that we're running. Click on the Settings option and select GUI. You can interact with the operating system as you want. Just keep in mind that if there is no activity or interaction with your server for 15 minutes, the system may automatically log you out or disconnect your session. Now, before I forget, to unlock the large package, you only need to add a balance of at least $2 to your account, and you will be able to run a VPS with 16 GB of RAM, 8-core CPU, and 60 GB of disk space. If this video was helpful to you, hope you do me a quick favor. I think you already know what I mean. Thank you for watching.